One, two, three. As the state engages with the Afghan Taliban regime diplomatically, more forceful measures are also being employed to hit terrorist targets inside Afghanistan. Full stop. Perhaps this seemingly paradoxical approach has been employed to send the message to Kabul that while Islamabad is ready to talk, it is also willing to strike at anti-Pakistan terrorists inside Afghanistan if the Taliban fail to act. Full stop. This appeared to be the gist of the state's messaging after Pakistan's special representative for Afghanistan met senior Afghan Taliban ministers on Tuesday, and later that night Pakistani jets bombed as per security sources TTP camps in Paktika. Full stop. Conducting unilateral strikes is problematic, as it can spark a spiral of hostilities. Full stop. But the state has communicated to the Afghan Taliban multiple times the need to rein in terrorist groups based on Afghan soil, without any concrete measures being taken by Kabul. Full stop. Just last week, TTP terrorists attacked a post in South Waziristan, causing the martyrdom of at least 16 troops. Full stop. There have been hundreds of attacks conducted by militant groups in the outgoing year. Many of these are believed to have been carried out by terrorists operating from bases located in Afghanistan. Full stop. Therefore, the militant option has been employed by the government apparently to signal its unhappiness over the state of affairs. Full stop. This is the second time in 2024 that Pakistan directly hit reported militant sanctuaries in Afghanistan, with the first strike occurring in March. Full stop. Yet the military option is fraught with risk, and should be a last resort in order to prevent a conflagration with Afghanistan. Full stop. The state has done the right thing by re-engaging with the Afghan Taliban. Full stop. Reports indicate that the Taliban government has started shifting militants away from the Pakistan border. Islamabad needs to encourage this process, this so that malign actors are relocated far from our frontiers. Full stop. Diplomatic engagement should continue, with emphasis on the fact that cordial ties cannot develop if anti-Pakistan groups continue to operate with freedom from Afghanistan. Full stop. Pakistan should also continue to coordinate with other regional states to send a common message to Kabul regarding the need for greater counterterrorism efforts by the Afghan Taliban. Full stop. Secondly, we must do more to protect our own frontiers. Full stop. While it is expected of neighbors not to let their soil be used against us, protecting our frontiers is primarily our own responsibility. Full stop. There needs to be closer monitoring of our borders to ensure that terrorists are not able to sneak in. Full stop. Moreover, stricter action must be taken to ensure terrorist groups are not able to establish a foothold in Balochistan and KP, particularly in the former FATA region. Countering armed groups will continue to be major challenges in 2025, and the state must proactively meet this threat in order to establish last peace. Full stop.